This one is failed, and he's sitting at the throne. For strength, come with me where eagles fly. For I live.
Rafael Ángeles. Marian Claire Marian. From the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, I am recommending to you these 13 applicants about to become members of Nandala Gintong Kawayan Eagles Club, Kampilan ng Gintong Kawayan Eagles Club, and Sultan ng Gintong Kawayan Eagles Club. The 11th of this occasion, please all stand. Applicants, please, about please.
So, pakilakasan po natin. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. Saying, I, Eagle, please state your name and the name of your club. Ano pong pangalan ng club niyo? A club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta, and the capabilities of my club to carry the pursuits and ideals of the Philippine Eagles, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times said Eagles Magna Carta, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles' delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, with the national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations, mga ate at kuya.
Mga kuya, mga ate, mga bunso, and friends of Eagles, let us remain silent and put ourselves in the presence of the Almighty. We beseech you, all-powerful God, to bestow upon them to blend their Okay? Sino mga walang mag-ano? Nandito may mga available na po at atin.
Let me speak. across this wondrous land.
Ang pang-sperma niyo.
For strength and health, integrity. Let our hearts be free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty. Truth and justice, equality. For God and home we live right.
Already 1, 2, 3.
Commitment to the things we do with heart and soul, to make this world a better.
Already 1, 2.
Our eagles. So please pay attention mga ate mga kuya. First, open wide. Open up. So this signifies the Philippine Eagle's wings that we use to soar high and fly high to needy people in our community. Second, the strong bond of brotherhood. If you recall, our guiding principle states service to strong brotherhood, because if we work together, nothing is impossible. Third is the sign of friendship, because we Eagles are friends to all people. And last but not the least, our love to our God and country, the Philippines. Again, Pro Deo and Patria. Congratulations, Kuya Wilfred. Itong Kawayan Eagles Club. Let's all join in congratulating them po.
Ate Cindy.